Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that involves the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computer systems to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. The core idea of machine learning is to build systems that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. The algorithms used in machine learning are designed to identify patterns and relationships in data, and use that information to make predictions or take actions. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, where each data point is associated with a specific output or label. The algorithm learns to map inputs to outputs based on the examples in the dataset. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is trained on an unlabeled dataset, and the goal is to identify patterns or structure in the data. Unsupervised learning algorithms are often used for clustering and dimensionality reduction. In reinforcement learning, the algorithm learns through trial and error by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or punishments for its actions. The goal is to learn a policy that maximizes the cumulative reward over time. Machine learning has many practical applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, fraud detection, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles, among others.